A stroke and a heart attack may seem alike, but their impact is felt in different areas of the body. A stroke is the result of disrupted or reduced blood flow to the brain. This deprivation of essential oxygen and nutrients can lead to severe neurological symptoms, including difficulty speaking and loss of coordination. On the other hand, a heart attack, or myocardial infarction, occurs when blood flow to the heart muscle is blocked. This blockage can lead to damage of heart tissue, with symptoms like chest pain and shortness of breath. Both are medical emergencies requiring immediate attention. Prompt treatment is key to minimize damage and improve recovery chances. Stroke treatment might involve medications to dissolve blood clots or surgery to repair damaged vessels. Heart attack treatment could include medicines to restore blood flow or procedures like angioplasty to restore blood flow to the heart muscle. Remember, understanding the difference can be a matter of life and death. Be aware and take care.